Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, let's improve the sound audio on Windows 11 computer. So if there is any problem with the sound, like crackling, or the volume is not that high, the bass is not good, or overall you're not satisfied with the sound, then you can enhance your sound in the laptop, whether it's a desktop. You just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And here at the left hand side you will have many options, and in the system you will find the second option called sound volume levels, output, input and sound devices. So I'll click on that. So once you click on that, you will see the output and the input. So if your sound is working absolutely fine, you don't have to make any changes here. All you need to do is to just scroll down and look for an option says more sound setting. So I'll click on more sound setting, and here you will find playback, recording, sounds, communication. So whichever has a check mark, whichever is your default device under playback. So you just need to do a double click and go to levels, and here in levels check the output. Is it 100% or not, or according to your convenience. Once you're done, you can also balance it like the speakers from left to right. So if any speaker is not giving you proper sound, you can increase the volume from here. Once it is done, go to the advanced level. There is a check mark hardware acceleration. You can do a check mark here and enable audio enhancement. So if your audio is not working and you have some issues, this will actually enhance the audio experience. So you can do a check mark on signaling enhancements, and under spacious sound, you can select Windows Sonic for headphones. So if it's for headphones, you can select that, else you will have a different option here. Once you're done, just click on OK and go to recording section, and here as well, wherever you have the green check mark, just do a double click, and here go to levels, see where is the level according to your convenience or your desired number, and you can make it to 100 as well, and go to advanced, and here as well make sure it is a check mark, and 2 channel 16-bit 48 Hertz DVD quality. That's fine, you don't have to make any changes. The only thing you need to look here is the levels. And you can also check mark here allow applications to take exclusive and give exclusive mode application priority. So once you are done, you just need to restart the computer after clicking on OK and see if there is a difference in the sound audio. So I hope this very short tutorial is helpful. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.